In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add virtual background on Zoom. This is a quick and simple way to make your video calls look cleaner, more professional, or just a little more fun. Zoom gives you a few built-in background options, and it also lets you upload your own image or video if you want something more personalized. To get started, open your Zoom account on your computer. Once Zoom is open, look toward the top right corner of the window and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From there, select Settings. When you click it, a settings window will appear. In the settings window, go to the left-hand panel and look for Video and Effects. Click on that section to open your camera and visual effects settings. Inside this area, click on the Virtual Backgrounds tab. This is where Zoom lets you control what appears behind you during meetings. Once you're in the virtual backgrounds section, you'll see a few choices. Zoom usually includes options like none, blur, and several built-in virtual backgrounds. If you want to keep things natural, you can choose none. If you want to hide your surroundings without using a full image, blur is a great option because it softens the background while keeping the focus on you. And if you want a more polished or creative look, you can choose one of Zoom's ready-made virtual backgrounds by simply clicking on the one you like. If you'd rather use your own background, click the blue plus icon. Zoom will then give you the choice to upload either an image or a video from your computer. This is useful if you want to use a branded office backdrop, a clean room setting, or any visual that matches the tone of your meeting. Just select the file you want and Zoom will apply it for you. For this example, you can simply choose one of the backgrounds already provided by Zoom. Just click the option you want and it will be applied right away so you can preview how it looks on camera. That's all you need to do. Your virtual background is now set and you're ready to use it in your Zoom meetings. If you want the best result, make sure your room is well lit and try to sit in front of a plain background so Zoom can separate you more clearly from the space behind you.